Next 3 videos are to prove from the Bible code that I am the prophet of Elijah of Malachi 4 verse 5, which says, I will send my prophet Elijah before the great and fear-inspiring day of Jehovah. Now, this scripture, Watchtower, take note, and Jehovah's Witnesses, this is the New World Translation, not any other Bible. 2 Kings 2, 11 and 12, it says, as they were walking along, speaking as they walked, suddenly a fiery chariot and fiery horses made a separation between the two of them, and Elijah ascended to the heavens in the windstorm, while Elisha was watching. He was crying out, my father, the chariot of Israel and his horsemen. When he could no longer see him, he stood hold of him, his own garments, and ripped them into 2 pieces. Now, that's the famous story of Elijah going to heaven. And if you look, you'll see the red letters there. If I go down, as you can see in the scripture above, if you start with the H in there and count every 11 letters, it's well, that should say letters. It spells out Hashay, H-A-C-H-E. Hashay is a variant of my surname Hashay, according to Wikipedia. There's quite a few variants of Hashay spelt different ways, but that's without the 1 C. It's got 1 less. And in French, Hashay means to chop, like an axe. And I looked at my best friend Trish Vernon's family crest, and I found 3 axes on hers. So that's amazing. So every 11 letters, if we go back, start from there to the left there and count every 11 letters, it spells out Hashay. This is not randomly picking, as some idiot on Facebook said. I put a code up and says, oh, I can see my name there. No, he's choosing random letters, the idiot. This is ELS, what Jehovah used to encode the Bible. Equidistant letter sequence. It's in the name. Equal distance. Between H-A-C-H-E is 11 letters, right? Now, if you look here, as you can see above, if you start with the H in his and count every 6 letters backwards, it spells out Hatch. Hatch is the modern name for my surname Hashay. I mean small gate. So that's Hatch. Hatch actually means small gate, right? And what did Jesus say? Going through the narrow gate. I am the door of the sheep. As well, he said. So I'm actually, Hashay actually means dweller by the gate as well. So I'm the gate to paradise. But as it say, Hatch is every 6 letters in blue, and that's backwards, starting with the H in his, H-A-T-C-H. So in this, Jehovah, this should be a good one for Watchtower, because it's the New World Translation, which proves it's inspired by Jehovah, even though the ex-Jehovah's Witnesses don't like it. It actually is inspired, because this is the evidence. So stop suffering from cognitive dissonance, everyone. So you've basically got my name, Hashay, Middle English, and then you've got the modern day English just underneath it. What's the chances of that being encoded in that bit? Oh, it's amazing. Jehovah's a wonderful God, and he's bringing paradise soon. Because I've got to battle the Watchtower, take it over. I'm halfway there now. 3/4 way there. They know me. And then I'll go after the governments in a psychological way. Right, and put this on YouTube. I'll keep going with these all day. Ha ha! This should spoil Watchtower's fun. Bye for now.